Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2022 Hyundai Palisade Calligraphy in Sierra Burgundy. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot collision avoidance assistant, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 32,000 miles on the odometer, 10.25-inch touchscreen, navigation, heated and ventilated rear seating, panoramic sunroof, hands-free power liftgate, 3.8-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P9089C.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.